In this video, I will guide you on how to fix black and white screen on Samsung. The first thing you want to do is launch open settings on your device. Now scroll down a bit and find the option of accessibility. Tap on that. Now you should be able to find the option of Vision Enhancement. Go ahead and select that. Here, find the option of color correction. Select that. Now, as you can see, this option is toggled on and down below you have selected Grayscale. Whenever you select Grayscale, your screen will turn black and white. So in order to fix that, you simply want to toggle off the color correction option. But if you want to turn that on, you can simply select any other option from here as well. So except for Grayscale, you can select any other color mode, and then this issue should be fixed. Or you can simply turn off the color correction itself and your screen will no longer be black and white. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.